Okay, so what you're going to do in this lesson is you are going to practice writing a couple of different claims. As you looked at your notes earlier, you remember that a claim is a biased statement that is often very short because you want to make sure that your reader knows exactly what it is that you are trying to communicate. I personally avoid the word because in a claim unless I know that I'm going to stick with only those reasons, because otherwise if you veer at all, your claim becomes irrelevant. So here's what we're going to do. You took your argument notes probably around page 136. On the page that's next to it, that's blank. So if 136 was on the right, use the page that's on the left. If 136 was on the left, use the page that's on the right. We are just going to practice writing a couple of different claims. I want you to write the word claim at the top, like that. And what we are going to do, I had to mute my computer. What we are going to do is just write a couple of different claims. We're going to keep them short, and then you are going to come and show me that you have been working on this. So biased, short, doesn't really matter your side. So if we were going to take a claim, let's say about recess in middle school. So my topic is recess in middle school. I can write a positive claim that says middle schoolers need recess. And I can keep it short and sweet. We can tell that I believe that middle schoolers need recess through those 4 words because I told you middle schoolers need recess. If I were going to write a negative claim, meaning I disagree, I could say, let's see, recess is oh, now I spelled a word I can't spell. Necessary, it either has 1 N or 2, we're going to pretend it has 2, is unnecessary for middle schoolers. Yes, you should be writing this down. Okay, so ultimately it doesn't matter which one of these 2 I agree with. The fact is that I have now written 2 claims. Okay, so let's take a look at another topic. Let's say the topic is clothes shopping. Okay, you also have to be careful because you may have some very passionate feelings about clothes shopping, but you also want to make sure that your claim is very direct and not so filled with passion that you now lose your reader before he or she even starts reading your piece. So clothes shopping, positive, let's see. Buying new clothes is I can't think of the word, like a great time. We're going to go with that because that's as creative as I am at this time in the morning. So buying new clothes is a great time. This is a really, really bad claim, so we would never actually use this, but it would be a really great starting point so we could see ourselves grow. If I were going to write a negative claim on that, I may say something like, although, no, we're not going to put although there. We'll put that in our paper. Buying new clothes is monotonous. Another word I can't spell. Good job, Nicole. monotonous, and boring. Okay, and then my piece would support monotonous and boring. So what I'm going to have you do is I want for you to pick 2 more topics, or at least 1 more topic, and I want for you to write both the positive and the negative claim for that. Topics may include school lunch. You're all going to be coming in here soon. School lunch, or maybe having a phone in 6th grade. I want you to do 2. I know I said 1 or 2. You're doing 2. Maybe it's having a phone in 6th grade, staying up later at night, playing video games. Any other topic you can think of. If you can't come up with a different topic, I gave you 4, you pick 2. And again, it doesn't really matter if you're passionate about school lunches, you can still write a claim that's both positive and negative. After you have done, you have these 2 right here as samples, and then you do 2 additional ones where you wrote both the positive and the negative claim for the topic. Please bring it to me so I can take a look at it and make sure you're on the right track. Thanks.